Hey guys, this is my beautiful 2023 Ford E-Transit. I'm going to show you where the battery is that you have access to. It's not the batteries you think that's underneath the vehicle. Push the driver's seat forward. Look underneath and look at that. That is a deep cycle battery. It's not lithium. This is what controls the accessories up front. So the two screws that come out here are 8mm. Okay, this takes this cowling out, and over here you have some sensors, so don't mess that up. So you pull this out, move it aside. Move it aside like that. Lift this up, and look it down there. There's your positive. You can reach down there and work with it. There's a nut there, and there's a nut right there. This one is 11mm, and that one I think I used a 1/2 inch on, and it worked fine. So those are the two accessory hookups that you can put a lift or anything to charge any accessories. So that's where the battery is. So easy to do. When you put it back together, this goes down, this goes back in, and there's a lip up front. Just slide that in, put two screws back in here, and you're done. And you can run your wires underneath coming out down here, across, over there, underneath the carpet. Hey, look at this, so easy. All right, so if you have an E-Transit 2023, and some others might actually do this. That's where the battery is.